whoa, whoa, oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa, oh, yeah. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Take off those heels, lay on my bed. Hey everybody, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Ride by Chase Rice. This is a great song. I'm not going to sing all the lyrics for you and stuff, but it is a great song, and I do love Chase Rice. So let's get right into it. This is going to be, oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. I really love it when you guys subscribe. And also, for those of you who have subscribed already, thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's get right into the song. So it's going to be standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret. This song is super easy strumming pattern and everything. So anyway, all right, here's how you play it. I'm sorry, I laugh because some of these songs are, a lot of country is just about like picking up chicks and stuff, which is just funny. Anyway, so I mean, not other kind of music is like that too. So anyway, let's just get into it. So, all right, so this is how the song, the verses and the intro are going to be like this. Okay, you're going to do C add 9. All right, and if you don't know how to play C add 9, it's very simple. It's it's a great chord to know. So you're just gonna I put my ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're gonna put your middle finger up here on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, and you're gonna pluck them all. Now, I think if you want to be a little louder, because this song is good to play like loud and soft, you can actually, I'm not going to use a pick, so you can just play with your fingernail like that. Okay, I use my middle finger. I do that. I think that sounds beautiful. So it's whoa, whoa, oh yeah. Okay, so it's C add 9, G, and that's very easy to transition from C add 9 to G. Then you're going to do B minor, okay? And that would make sure you're putting your middle finger down on the 3rd fret on the B strings. It really makes that sound go through, okay? If it's hard for you to, you don't have to, but I think it makes it sound a lot better. So you can just do the power chord otherwise, but it doesn't sound quite as good, okay? So that's B minor, and then you're gonna do A minor. All right, now for the intro, you're just gonna do single strums, and you're just gonna play through it once. Whoa, whoa, oh yeah, G. Whoa, whoa, oh yeah, B minor. Oh, 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 yeah. Okay, then you go into C add 9. All right, so then it's. Okay, see that? It's a really easy strumming pattern. Everybody wonders where we run off to. Da, 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 da. So just notice that it's just down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so that's it for the verses. Now the chorus is actually even easier. So you're going to play through, by the way, that chord progression twice in the verses, in the first verse, okay? Then the chorus, you're going to do E minor, okay? So like that. I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna go ride, okay? Baby on you, lady, all night, all night. So you're not even having to do like the up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? You're just doing down, da 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 da. So you do E minor, then you do C add 9. Da, 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 da. Now you can throw in the da, 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 then you go to G. So it's going to be E minor, C add 9, G, and then D. And when you do the G, it's going to be easier if you do this kind of G, because then you can quickly go to that D if you have a hard time doing it, okay? So it's going to be da, 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 da. So that's once, and you're going to play through it again. And an easy way to maybe an easier way to switch from E minor to C add 9. So I play it like that. I'm used to switching that way. You can play it with these two fingers, and then all you have to do is like do that. It's going to be a little bit easier, okay? So you're going to play through that twice in the chorus. And then the interlude is, you're going to do C add 9, G, B minor, A minor. So it's basically the same thing as the verse, okay? So it's kind of like transitioning to the verse. So you should play through that once. It's, yeah, girl, we can go slow. Yeah, we can go slow. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Okay, so you're going to play the same chords as you did in the verses. So it's just going to be C add 9, G, B minor, A minor. Okay, play through it once, and then you're going into the second verse. And the second verse, you only play through the chord progression once. Okay, so you're just going to do C add 9. And I think it's, you can do that, but sorry, for the interlude, it sounds best, I think, if you just do the single strums. Yeah, girl, we can go slow. And especially because like the lyrics and stuff, that part slows down a lot. Okay, so then you go into the second verse and you're going to play it just like you did the first verse, which is going to be, lay on your back like you're right there. Okay. Oops, sorry, B minor. And you don't even have to do like this in between. You can just do the whole like, sorry, that's not where it starts there, that's the chorus, but you can just do the whole thing like these single strums if you're like brand new. This is a super easy song if you're brand new. Okay, so you would do it like that. And I just played E minor, and it doesn't go there. But so the chorus, the second time you play the chorus, you're going to play it, the chord progression twice through again. So then E minor, C add 9, G, D, and then you play that one more time. Okay. Then at the bridge, it's the same as the. He just speaks faster. Part of the reason I'm not singing this is because it's way like it's hard for me to remember the lyrics, and so I'm just trying to like give you like the like hum the beat and stuff, hum what they're saying. Okay, so it's going to be, the bridge is just going to be that C add 9, G, B minor, A minor. Okay, so it's, smoke's coming up, you're on my side, rub your thigh, you look in my eyes. Okay, so you're going to do one strum. All right. This is where you're going to really be slowing it down. Okay, again, remember, songs sound better if they have like variation. All right, that's why they don't just do the same thing over and over and over typically. So make it softer and louder and stuff like that. All right, so that for that one you are going to slow it down and then and just do single strums. Okay, then after that you're going to go into the chorus, and then you're going to do it louder again. I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna ride, I'm gonna go ride on you, baby. I can't remember the lyrics. Just on top of me, I'm gonna ride. Okay. Make it a little bit louder when you do the chorus. You play through that twice. Then the outro is just single strums, just like the intro. C add 9, G, B minor, A minor. Okay, anyway, that's how to play Ride by Chase Rice. It's a great song. I first heard it at Country Dancing, and I really like it. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions or if you have any requests for other songs, and be more than happy to oblige. So anyway, thanks for coming out. I'll see you guys next time.